I refer the Attorney-General to the long-running case of Mr Edward Bride, who has repeatedly highlighted concerns that documents he has submitted to the Supreme Court have been dramatically altered to the extent that they bear little or no relation to those originally submitted. And I ask, 1. Is the Attorney aware of Mr Bride's allegations that a 7-page document submitted by him over the Supreme Court e-portal on 6 July 2022 was replaced by a 4-page document filed by the Court in his name some 2 days later? 2. Is the Attorney further aware of attempts by Mr Bride to address these concerns in correspondence with Premier McGowan, Premier Cook and with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Western Australia? 3. What investigations has the Attorney made into these claims to determine their validity or otherwise? And 4. Noting that Mr Bride had earlier been declared a vexatious litigant in relation to his case against the Shire of Katanning and the Commonwealth Bank, can the Attorney reassure the House that such a finding does not negatively impact upon an individual's right to raise concerns as to the equality and validity of justice in our state, and to have those claims examined in an impartial manner?
Minister for Agriculture.
Thank you, President. I thank the honourable member for the question. The following response has been provided by the Attorney-General. 1 to 4. It would not be appropriate for the Attorney-General to comment on or intervene in matters before the Court. The judiciary is independent of government and courts are entitled to independence in their decision-making. Why the Attorney-General cannot comment on the specifics of Mr Bride's case, the Vexatious Proceedings Restriction Act 2002 is the legislation by which a person may be declared a vexatious litigant. The purpose of that legislation is to restrict the institution from vexatious proceedings through the implementation. I know I'm saying that, and now I've said it wrong. I can't say it right. Through the implementation of an official process whereby certain persons may be declared to the court to be vexatious litigants. The decision of who is declared a vexatious litigant or what limits are placed upon their capacity to commence legal proceedings without leave of the court is entirely a matter for the relevant court. Hey. Vexatious.